In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view old Google Maps satellite images. This is really handy if you want to see how a place looked a few years ago, track changes over time, or just explore what an area used to be like. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Maps website. Once the page loads, you should see the familiar map view with a search bar at the top. Type in the location you want to explore. This can be an address, a city, a landmark, or even the name of a business. Press Enter, and Google Maps will zoom into that spot. By default, Maps usually shows you the standard map view with roads and labels. To work with satellite images, you need to switch to Satellite View. Look in the bottom left or bottom right corner of the map for the layer options. Click on Satellite. The map will change from the simple drawing style map to an aerial or satellite photograph of the area. Now that you're in Satellite View, the key feature you need is the timeline for historical imagery. This isn't visible in the standard Google Maps view. Instead, you'll use Google Earth on the web, which is closely connected and just as easy to access. In a new browser tab, search for Google Earth and open the web version. Once it loads, use the search bar in Google Earth to enter the same location you just looked up in Maps. Earth will fly you right to that area with detailed satellite imagery. To see older images, look for the time slider or clock icon that controls historical imagery. When you click it, a timeline will appear, usually along the top or side of the screen. You'll see different dates representing when imagery was captured in that location. Drag the slider or click on the different dates to move back and forth through time. Each time you select a new date, the view will update to show how the area looked at that point in history. Take a moment to zoom in and out, or rotate the view if that's available, to get a better sense of changes such as new buildings, roads, or natural features. Keep in mind that historical imagery isn't available everywhere, and some areas may only have a few dates to choose from. Urban locations usually have more frequent updates, while remote areas might have fewer. When you're done exploring, you can switch back to the most recent imagery simply by moving the slider to the latest date. That's all there is to it.